Hello everyone. In this video, we'll run a quick demonstration of our mass data rollback functionality. Here are the test parameters. We need to roll back 3,996 records. For each record, we will restore the previous values of 20 fields. The history length for each record is 15,011.34 characters. The maximum supported history length is 120,000 characters. We're not working with millions of records in this demo because such a rollback could take hours and wouldn't fit the format of a short video. However, it's worth mentioning that the only real limitation here is the Salesforce batch apex limit of 50 million records. Let's start the process and wait for the report. While the job is running, let me highlight a few interesting details. The interface you're currently looking at is an LWC component that emulates the behavior of standard Salesforce list views while overcoming some of their native limitations, such as the maximum number of records that can be returned are selected. We've also expanded the available filtering capabilities and added support for geolocation fields. This allows you to find people or assets within a specific radius, or outside of it. Now let's take a look at the results. The key metric we're interested in is the execution time. As you can see, the rollback completed successfully, and the full execution details are available in the report. From start to finish, the entire process took just 31 seconds. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.